channel. And actually this morning I did yung product shoot, and doon ko lang na-realize na hindi ko pala nagawa ng unboxing video to. So this is really late, like ano pa to June pa dapat. So yun, sobrang late na siya, and I'm so sorry about that. Pero kahit late na siya, kahit hindi niyo na siya ma-avail, I still wanna share with you kung ano yung contents, para lang at least you'll have an idea kung pag magsusubscribe kayo sa subscription box na to, if worth it ba siya or hindi. So let's start. So what I'm talking about right now is the BDJ box. This is the June 2014 BDJ box, and as you can tell, it's an exclusive benefit BDJ box right there. So yan. I really like the sleeve of this box. Sobrang cute lang niya. And actually for this year, tama ba? For this year, no? Yeah, it's the second exclusive box na from Benefit. The first one, hindi ko sure kung anong month, pero yun, meron na nga. And kung napanood niyo yung unboxing video ko nun, super gusto ko yung box na yun kasi first time kong itatry yung brand na Benefit. And yun, kasi medyo mahal siya, so hindi ako talaga masyadong nagpa-purchase ng mahal na items. So yun, ito yung June Benefit BDJ box, and let's open it. Let's remove the sleeve. And yan, ito na yung original BDJ box. And I'm gonna go super quick lang sa items kasi low bat na yung camera ko. Actually, I'm just using my phone. Low bat din kasi yung SLR camera, and kailangan ko na matapos to. But don't worry, you'll see naman photos of the items sa vlog ko. I'll be linking that on the description box below. And yeah. So upon opening, actually na-open ko na to. So hindi na ganito yung original na pagkaayos niya. But let me just show the items to you. So tinanggal ko na rin yung confetti kasi yun, nabuksan ko na nga siya. So ito siya. And kasama rin to. Ito yung card for yung contents inside. Yan. And then this, ano ba to? Booklet? Catalog or something. Basta parang mini magazine siya of featuring some items from Benefit, like this one. So as I have mentioned nga kanina, ito yung card from Benefit with the message and the contents inside. So ayan siya, and yung mga contests that you can join, and ito rin yung sticker. As usual, 5 stickers again, and ito siya. Yan. Sabi dito, nothing makes a woman more beautiful than the belief that she is beautiful. So, syempre, sino ba naman maniniwalang maganda tayo, di ba? Tayo rin. So, yun. Pag naniwala ka talagang beautiful ka, magre-reflect at magre-reflect yun. And you don't need to, like, ipagmalaki or ipagyabang pa na maganda ka. Kung maganda ka talaga, in and out, magre-reflect yun. And manonotice yun ng mga tao without you telling them or without you like bragging about your beauty. So let's start with the Professional Pro Balm. Sample size in 3 ml, and yung full size niya 22 ml for 1,600 pesos. So ito yung itsura niya. When you swatch it, ganyan yung itsura niya, and yan, magiging parang ano siya, powdery finish. Sobrang velvety. This is a primer, face primer. Yan, pang blur ng pores, ng fine lines, and pang smoothen ng skin para mas madali apply yung foundation. And then next, we have the Fake Up Concealer. So, this is what it looks like. Yan. Ito yung laman niya. And, what I like about this is yung packaging. Sobrang, ay, baliktad. Sobrang ganda. Diba? Sobrang chic lang ng dating. And, ito siya. So, this is parang hydrating concealer nila. Designed para sa under eye area. Para hindi siya magkikrease or yun. So, swatch lang natin. Ayoko siyang i-swatch. Ay! Sira. So, ito siya. Pag-swatch. Light swatch lang yan. And, blend natin. Hindi heavy yung coverage niya. Medyo parang light to medium coverage lang. Pero, we'll see. Yung finish niya, hindi siya ganun ka-sticky, pero hindi rin siya matte. So, yun yung hydrating effect siguro niya. Medyo moisturized yung finish. Then, next, we have the Big Easy. Better Than BB. So, it has SPF 35, PA+++, and this is what it looks like. Ayan. Parang ito yata yung BB cream nila, pero parang what they're claiming is it's better than any other BB creams na nasa market. Yan. So, let me just give you... Oh! By the way, yung full size ng Fake Up Concealer is in 3.5 grams and it retails for 1,600 pesos. And yung sample size naman niya is for 0.5 grams. So, this one naman, the Big Easy, what I received is yung sample size in 3 ml. Full size nito is 35 ml for 2,000 pesos. So, swatch natin. So, ayan. Sabi dito, ano siya, liquid to powder. So, try natin blend. So, hindi siya yung sobrang powdery finish. Pero hindi siya sticky. So, somewhere in between, I guess. Pero habang tumatagal mo siyang biniblend, ayan, nagkumaganda yung finish niya. Yung coverage niya, hindi masyadong heavy rin. Next naman is the Hello Flawless Oxygen Wow. And this is in the shade I'm So Honey Money. There. So, nakatanggap na ako ng ganito dati, pero the one I received has a pump and this one wala. So, this is in 3 ml. Yung full size niya is 30 ml for 1,900 pesos. So, ito yung itsura niya. There. Let me just give you a little swatch. This is I'm So Money Honey. Dito na lang. So, ayan yung swatch. Kita niyo ba? There. This one naman medyo parang orangey pinkish yung dating para sa akin na. Pero, I'm not sure if dahil lang sa lighting yun. Kasi nandito ako sa room. Pero, yeah, we'll see. Next. Ano pa ba? The next one is the They're Real Mascara. I like this kasi ano siya, ang cute-cute nung itsura niya. Ito siya. Yan, They're Real Mascara. And the sample size is in 3 grams. Yung full size naman, 8.5 ml in 1,300 pesos. And the shade of this is black. I don't know if meron siyang ibang shade, pero this one is in black. And ito yung itsura niya. There. I don't know how to describe the wand. Pero meron siyang ibang klaseng spikes sa may bandang tip. And di ko pa alam kung ano yung effect niya. Pero I'm guessing na okay to sa thin lashes. Thin and short lashes. Yung ganyan type of wand. So, ang claim nito, this Power Mascara lengthens, curls, volumizes, lifts, and separates. So, lahat yon kailangan ng lashes ko kasi maiksi yung lashes ko, manipis, and ano siya, pababa yung tubo niya. So, yun. I'm excited to try this. Then, next naman, we have the Lolly Tint. Ito siya. The sample size is in 2.5 ml and it retails for 1,700 pesos. Na-open ko na siya kasi na-excite akong tignan yung color niya. Kasi I've seen beauty bloggers na nag-vlog na about this and yun, excited lang ako siyang i-swatch. So, para sa inyo, swatch ko din. Actually, na-swatch ko na kanina, hindi lang na-record. So, ito siya. Yan. And dapat i-blend mo siya agad kasi ang bilis niya mag-stain. Parang hindi siya nagsistain pero ayun o, meron na agad. And gusto ko yung color niya. So, next naman, we have the Benetint. 2.5 ml din yung sample size. Full size is in 12.5 ml. Details for 1,700 pesos. This one naman is not yet open kasi nakatanggap na ako nito sa dati kong Benefit BDJ box. So, yun. I'll just provide nga yung link on the information box below para makita niyo yung contents nun. Pero, hindi ko muna siya isa-swatch. Ayun. Pero, I'm sure naman you've seen swatches of this kasi super, popular itong tint na to. So, yun. Even celebrities gumagamit nito. So, yun lang. And, aside from those beauty products inside, meron ding vouchers. We have the free make-upper. Ito siya. There. And then we also have the 300 peso brow wax service. There. And then, last but not the least, is this booklet or what's this? Mini magazine that contains information about some benefit products. And I'm intrigued dito sa parang gusto ko siyang matry yung mga tinted balm nila. So, yan. So, those are the items inside the June BDJ box. June Benefit BDJ box. And hindi ko siya matutotal sa inyo yung price ng items inside kasi all of the beauty products inside are in like sample sizes. Pero I just wanna assure you na I paid for 580 para sa box na to and so yun, I'm pretty sure na mas higit pa sa 580 yung tawag dito, yung value ng laman ng box kasi yung sample sizes nila, it's not for one time use lang. Alam mo yun, matitest mo talaga yung products inside. And like for example, itong dalawang tint na to, it will last you for quite a long time. Although hindi siya yung super tagal, kagaya ng ibang products na, diba yung mga full size, pero tatagal tong dalawa for sure. Kasi long wearing yung mga tint nila. And then, yun, ito, yung mascara, I think tatagal din to. So, yun lang. Hindi ako disappointed sa box. I actually love the box. Sobrang gustong-gusto ko yung contents inside. Natutuwa talaga ako pag nakatanggap ako ng exclusive, kagaya nito na benefit box. So, yun, kasi nga, natatry ko siya kahit hindi ko talaga siya binibili. At least I get to try products from this brand. So, yun. I'll be doing a separate unboxing blog post. I'll be providing pictures and information about the products na nandito na pinakita ko kanina and some thoughts din na siguro hindi ko na-mention dito sa video na to. So if you want to check that out, I'll provide the link on the information box below. So that's it for my June 2014 Benefit BDJ box unboxing video. I hope you like this and I hope mas na-enlighten kayo kung ano ba yung BDJ box and kung ano yung usual na BDJ. Ayan, sana nakatulong tong video na to para mag-decide kayo if you're gonna subscribe or not. So, Pero I'm telling you, every BDJ box is really worth it. So, yun lang po. That's it for my unboxing video. Thumbs up if you think um, okay tong video na to and sharing information. And I hope makapag-subscribe din kayo kung hindi pa kayo subscribe sa channel ko. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye! Hindi siya nagre-record nung nag-film ako kanina.